Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about a brand new Boston Whaler 2022 27 Dauntless. What a fantastic boat this does. It does everything very, very well. You've got the swim platform door. You can fold this down. You can swim right up onto it, so it's a really nice feature when you're out in the water. It's powered by the twin Mercury 200s, so plenty of horsepower for this boat as well. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 270 Dauntless. Let's start at the back of the boat. You've got the real comfy fold-down seat in the back. You can hold 3 or 4 adults comfortably. Very nice back support on this as well. Again, you're powered by the twin Mercury 200, so phenomenal motors, very quiet, very little vibration, and just incredible power on these the new motors. So over behind me, we've got a swim platform. This folds down with an automatic switch, so it hydraulically goes down. And it's very easy for swimming, getting on and off the boat, so just a really nice feature for this boat. It's got the Yeti cooler that has a drawer that pulls out, so it's completely secured away. Little prep area with drink holders and rod holders. Very large live well. So just set up nicely for fishing, especially in the back. If you are going to fish, just fold that down. Get a nice platform for fishing along the back. So again, super for fishing. Move up to the Helm area. You've got the Marine, so you've got a large screen, and it's basically all you need. You could put another one in here if you wanted a second one. You could put another one on here. VHF radio, stereo, SmartCraft. You've got the dive door remote control, and you've got the trim tabs with the digital throttle and shift. So set up very, very nicely up at the Helm area with a couple of drink holders as well. For the head, nice, roomy head with a pump out, and that's where the table is secured down there as well. So you can want to change. It's pretty good size. Beautiful bow this is. It's the lounger here is very, very comfortable. 2 people, very, very comfortable. You could stick a third in there if you wanted to. Gigantic. You've got rod holders for 5 rod fishing rods that you can lock up and keep secure. The storage with the buckets down below. You've got a filler cushion that comes up to the bow, up to the bow, and makes this one big sun pad. So we also have lounges on both sides. So if you're not lounging on your sun pad, you can flip these up, and 2 more people lounging very, very comfortably. Your table goes right in here when you're hanging out. And you also have the hardware set up for a trolling motor. So if you want to add a trolling motor to it, all the hardware is there. So it's not expensive. It's a real easy setup. And we have the windlass, which is recessed, so it's out of the way. It's not a trip hazard. So if you want to fish off the bow, you can stand up on here, and you also can add a beach boarding ladder on there to drive right up onto the beach and just get on and off without getting in the water. So really nice feature. So the 27 does everything well. It's got a very shallow draft, so you can do the inside water without a problem at all. And you've got 2 motors on the back. You can take it out in the Gulf and not worry about it. It rides great. It's a fast boat. So if you have any questions or would like to come see it, give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.